Ladies and
Is it
gentlemen,
ready? Or you got
it's
it?
going. Ladies and gentlemen, we got ourselves a destroyer order on a non-working wash machine. This is how we do it. Somebody had it destroyed.
And that's the way it's done.